Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install MX Linux 25.1 on VMware Workstation. First go to MX Linux official website and download. It is mxlinux.org. Click on download. See here we have the different editions XFCE, KDE, Fluxbox. In this video I am going to download and install this XFCE. So click on this XFCE 64. But the installation process is same for all. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started, go to download. See here, its size is about 2.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Then select installer disk image file. Then browse, then go to downloads, then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on next, select Linux and select version as Deepin latest version from this list. Okay, then click on next, then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the announcement. Click on next. Then see, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these virtual machine hardware, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Remaining I am not going to change. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or just select it and go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. And if you want to provide description, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first option and hit enter. If you want to use this for testing or live environment, you can use it and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install MX Linux, or see here on the desktop we have the installer. Just you need to click on it. Okay, either is same, click on it. These are terms of use. Okay, click on next. And if you want to change the keyboard settings, click on here and you can select keyboard model, language. Okay, if you want another language, click on here, then you can select. Okay, I'm okay with the default, so cancel this one. Then click on next. Select type of installation, regular install using entire disk or custom disk layout, or replace existing installation. If you want to encrypt the disk, you have to select this one. I'm going with all defaults. Click on next. Select drive and click on start. See, it is copying files. If you want to create swap file, you have to keep the checkbox and provide the size. If you want to enable GRAM swap, you have to select the checkbox. Okay, I don't want all. I am going with the default, so click on next. Now this is the computer name or host name. Let also you can change. Remaining I am not going to change. Then click on next. This is the localization defaults. Configure the clocks. I am going with the defaults. This is the format, 24 hours or 12 hours format. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving username as R2 schools. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. If you want to provide or set the password for root account, select the checkbox and set the password. Then click on next. See, installation is in progress. Okay, wait until this installation completes. Once installation completes, then we will reboot the virtual machine and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed, and also see the checkbox automatically reboot the system when the installer is closed. Okay, keep the checkbox and click on finish to reboot. Now provide the password, hit enter. See here, before we were having install MX Linux option here. Now it is gone. Close this one. And also on the desktop we were having the same icon. Okay, now open terminal. The first step after connecting to MX Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -- sudo apt upgrade. hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, it is based on Debian Linux Trixie. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MX Linux 25.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.